Hi all. Today we will explain a PLSQL. Here we can know the what is PLSQL, the structure of PLSQL, and the advantages of PLSQL. We will see in this video. So most of the people are said PLSQL and SQL is different, but it is not correct. Okay, the PLSQL is the extension of the SQL. So let's go into the briefly about our PLSQL. The first topic is what is PLSQL. So PLSQL stands for Procedural Language Extension of SQL. Okay, it was developed by Oracle Corporation in the late 1980s to enhance the capabilities of SQL. So to enhance the capabilities of SQL to means it is improve or to better of the SQL, the PLSQL is improved. Okay, it is a procedural extension language of SQL. Okay, for that purpose it was developed by PLSQL for means and more features like nowadays we are seeing the phones 1 point version 2 version, so it was upgrading one by one. Like that, PLSQL is the updation for SQL. Okay, let's coming to the structure of structure of the PLSQL. See here, you need to remember only these four: declare, begin, exception, end. So for these only these 4 points we need to remember for structure of the PLSQL. Okay, declare, begin, exception, end. Okay, so in declare, this is the capital letters. Please mention this point. This should be declare, begin, exception, end. These 4 key are the keywords. So we need to maintain in capitals only. In declare section, we will declare the statements, and begin we will declare the execution statements, like whatever operation, whatever code we have written in this statement program, we need to mention in begin statement. Then next coming to the exception, if our program like any code should be throws any exception, then that statement should be captured in exception handling. For example, I was saying 0 divided any number can divided by 0, it throws exception. Like what is exception? It is 0 divided by exception. There are so many exception are there. Okay, I'm taking example only. Then it should be end. This is the slash. So let's coming to the how block structure it will be written. Okay, so this is the block. See, header is declaration, begin, exception, exception block, and end. So see, declaration and exception, these are optional. Okay, no need to worry about declaration. We can declare in begin as well. Okay, most of the programs we can declare in begin. Okay, by directly. So you can just need to remember begin and end. These are mandatory. In begin we write the code what should be written, and end it should be mandatory to end. Okay, so in this block only begin and end it is mandatory. So let's coming to go through the what are the operation we will done in this next program. Okay, sorry for the inconvenience. So PLSQL blocks sections. These are 3 blocks we are maintaining. First one is declaration section, second one is execution section, third one is exception handling section. So here you can notice that declaration is optional, execution is the mandatory, exception is the optional. So I already told you, see, these 3 only execution section is mandatory and end block. Okay, hope you guys are understand easily. And next coming to what are the operations should be in this declaration. Okay, so it is a option, we can mention like first point is it is a optional section, and Start with declare keyword. It is used to declare the variables, constants, records and cursors, etc. So first, don't need to remember anything, just remember one program. Like first what we need to write: variables declaration, then code, then exception if there, then end. So here in declaration we need to declare variables like int, a or string, boolean. Those are here comes a declaration section. Okay, just remember these point only. It is a option, 2 points in declaration. First point is the declare, it is optional. It here we use the declare keyword and we will see variables, constants, records. Okay, that's it, nothing to worry about declaration section. Let's coming to the execution section. In execution section starts with begin keyword and ends with end keyword. Okay, mainly you need to remember those that structure only, then you are able to write all of these content, no need to worry. Okay, so this section start with begin and end with end. Okay, it is mandatory section. It is used to write the program logic code. I already told you, see, for logic code. So note, execution section must have one statement. Like example I have provided, a colon equal to 10 semicolon. Okay, a colon equal to 10 semicolon. This is the execution section. Next, coming to the third one. Next, exception handling section. In that exception start with exception keyword. Okay, it is used to optional. Okay, next it is used to handle the exception occurred in the exception. Okay, so here this we need, what if will be asked the structure, then we need to write syntax, then based on that we will write our thing: declaration section, execution section, exception handling section. Okay, then here we can mention like important points. Every PL/SQL command will be followed by semicolon and PL/SQL box can be nested. These are 2 points will be remembered. These 2 points should be come in bits. Okay, next end section. This marks the end of the PL/SQL block. Okay, this mark like this is the, it should be shows that okay our program is completion is end. In generally normal program we are using the flower basis na, but here we will use end. Okay, like in SQL we will use HTML end. Okay, so like that, if you know the structure, then you are able to know write the declaration section, execution section, exception section. Based on that you can get the easily 2 marks of advantages also, based if you know the all the points. See, I will explain how. Advantages of PL/SQL. So PL/SQL is a procedure language. In starting I have discussed. Next, PL/SQL it is a structured language. Okay, this also come. PL/SQL handles the exception. Okay, this exception is there, but in SQL no exception. Please remember this point. And next, PL/SQL engine can process the multiple SQL statements simultaneously as a single block, hence reduce the network traffic and provides the better performance. If you don't remember the 4th point, you just mention like it is a procedure language, then structured language, then handles the exception. Then you can mention like in 4th point, it is a better performance as compared to the SQL. Okay, like it execute simultaneous task. For example, I was saying if you are having the three tasks to do, but in SQL one by it is doing. But here you can think like PL/SQL can do 3 at a time. Like it reduce the traffic, it increase the code performance. Okay, hope you guys are understand this video. Thank you. Hopefully please like and comment.